Check the new fill valve's thread size and technology against the old one before you start installing to avoid leaks or fit failures. Start by removing the old valve and lay it on a clean surface so you can directly compare parts. Measure the threaded shank diameter with a ruler or caliper and note whether threads are straight or tapered. Most toilet tanks use straight machine threads, but some use tapered pipe threads, and that changes which nut and washer you need. Inspect the valve body where it meets the tank for flange diameter and flatness. A larger or offset flange will not seal against the same hole and may require a different gasket or tank adapter. Confirm operating mechanism type by checking whether the valve is float cup, float ball replacement, or diaphragm style, because inlet height and water shutoff behavior differ between types and can affect fill level and flush performance. Read the new valve manufacturer specifications for thread size, required tank hole diameter, and recommended gasket thickness, and compare those numbers to your measurements. If the spec sheet lists dimensions in metric, convert to imperial before comparing. Keep the old valve and its mounting hardware until the new valve is fully installed and tested, so you have a physical reference and spares in case the measurements do not match. Common mistakes include assuming two valves that look similar are compatible, which causes cross-threading or leaks, so always measure and compare threads and flange dimensions before tightening. Another issue is ignoring the valve operating technology, leading to poor fill control or constant running. Match the fill mechanism type and, if needed, adjust the refill tube and float height per the new valve instructions to set the correct water level. A third frequent error is discarding the old rubber washer or not testing the tank alignment, which results in poor sealing. Keep the old washer as a template and dry fit the new valve. Hand tighten the nut, then test with low pressure before fully tightening. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and provides tools to compare product compatibility and installation tips related to plumbing upgrades. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where we share practical advice and troubleshooting for projects.